What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release March 11, 2023. This video is starting off just a little bit different. I normally will just have the shoe right here on the side, but for this one, I wanted to show you guys exactly where the shoe is coming from. So if you do not know, the box in front of me is a Nike shipping carton. This right here is just to show you guys, like, you know, the legitimacy of FineLine1721.com. When you shop here, you're going to get authentic Nike retail product. Taking a look at the style number, you have DN3707-100, which is the style number for the Air Jordan Retro 3 that will be releasing in March. Got size 10.5, 6 pair is in this box. As you can see, we have 6 pairs of 10.5. Slide out any one of these joints. Now let's go ahead and get into the review. First off, getting right into the box. As you can see, we have a standard Air Jordan Retro 3 box that is mimicking a box that you would possibly find in 1988 with like the fake scraped up edges. Taking a look at the front of the box, Nike Air branding right here on the side. Label reads Air Jordan 3 Retro, Summit White, Fire Red, and Black. And as you can see, the style number is DN3707-100. Now, lifting off the top of the box, got a little bit of aging going on in the inside of the box as well. Does come with the Air Jordan Retro 3 little paper card. We have a little bit of aging right here on the side as well. Dark elephant print paper. Now let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 3. First thing first, we do have a added accessory right here, the plastic Nike Air hang tag. Also comes with the tissue paper instead of the cardboard shoe tree. Now taking a look at the top-down view of the shoe, red insole with the black Nike Air branding sitting on the top, all white tongue with the fire red Jumpman logo. Taking a look at the eyelets, they have the hit of the aged element. Normally this would be white, but as you can see, they're kind of like creamy or sail. We have a very tumbled leather going on right here. Nice, soft, buttery materials. Taking a look at the lateral side of the shoe, more of that tumbled leather going throughout the whole uppers. Smooth white leather sitting on top of the aged midsole. Going down to the bottom of the shoe, all gray outsole, hits of fire red accents. White accent color is aged as well, sitting behind the red Nike Air brand. Another thing of note, the elephant print on these joints right here definitely feels amazing. It's soft. It almost kind of has like a very premium feel. Going around to the heels of the shoe, got the aged heel tab with the black Nike Air branding sitting on the top. Going around to the medial side, same exact way as the lateral. Nothing different there. And that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 OG Cement. If you want to pick these joints up, you can do so. Head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. They are shipping out early. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.